Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hairstyles that you can rock this summer season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new do, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have the stylist doing a gorgeous angled bob. This one features longer hair in the front and shorter hair in the back. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So she starts off with short, curly hair. The stylist dyes the hair and cuts the hair into this stunning platinum pixie haircuts. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. I am loving this cut and color combination. And as you guys know, we're still seeing plenty of platinum hair this season, and it is a great color to try out if you want something a little bit more bold. Then we have another angled bob transformation. This one does feature a longer bob. And then we have another pixie haircuts. Gorgeous, definitely a simple and chic pixie style, followed by a pixie bob haircut. This is a bob that features styling of a pixie, elements of a pixie, and elements of a bob. Next up, we have another bob haircut and color transformation. Absolutely stunning. Love the color with this one. And then we have another gorgeous bob. Oh, I love the texture that the stylist created with this one. Perfect look for summer because she gets to maintain her natural texture throughout. Gorgeous. So here we have the stylist once again doing another bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful jaw length style bob, cascading back. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous blonde lob transformation. The color is just absolutely radiant. Beautiful soft waves for texture. So we have someone playing hair roulette here. These are always so much fun to watch. So it looks like she ended up going blonde with this gorgeous waves, face framing highlights. Stunning transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles. If you felt inspired by these hair ideas, be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.